All right, number 18, we have the directions to simplify. Write the answer using only positive exponents. So we've been given x to the negative 16 over x to the negative 9. And again, we can approach this just like 17 in one of two ways. We can either, first and foremost, recognize that we don't want to have negative exponents. So we can take this whole quantity and move it from the numerator to the denominator. And because the denominator also has negative exponent, we can take it and move it up to the numerator. And by virtue of just flipping, taking the reciprocal here, we can now write x to the now positive 9 over x to the now positive 16. We can then say, all right, are we top heavy or bottom heavy with our exponents for x? Well, we are bottom heavy by how many? Well, we're bottom heavy by 7. So we can write 1 over x to the 7th is our final answer, right? We subtract 16 minus 9 gives us 7. Or what we can do is we can work with the original here, and we can say x to the negative 16 over x to the negative 9. And here you just have to be careful because now you're working with negatives, and you can ask yourself, all right, am I top heavy or am I bottom heavy in x's? Well, we're still bottom heavy because negative 9 is larger than negative 16. And so, well, how many are we bottom heavy by? Well, x to the negative 9 minus negative 16 is 1 over x to the, and negative 9, we're going to distribute this negative through, becomes negative 9 plus 16. And so we have 1 over x to the negative 9 plus 16 is positive 7. And so we arrive at the same answer either way. I actually prefer this method. I like working with positive exponents when I'm starting to subtract, doing top heavy, bottom heavy. But you can see that either way you get to the same answer. It's just you got to be careful with your signs when working with negative exponents. But either way, number 18, 1 over x to the 7th.